friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. Today, first we'll discuss some important data which came in last week, I guess on Friday only, and then we'll discuss Nifty 50, Nifty Bank level for the next week. So to know the level of Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank, stay connected till then and hit the like button now. So let's start with the important data, which is CPI inflation data. Yes, so April CPI inflation data actually crashes to 80-month low. मतलब 80 month लो पे आ गया है हमारा सीपीआई इन्फ्लेशन एंड विच इज 4.7%. यस, एंड अगर इसको ही देखें तो 4.7% इन अप्रैल मंथ एंड द सेम सीपीआई इन्फ्लेशन विच इज कंज्यूमर प्राइस इंडेक्स. यस, सीपीआई मीन्स कंज्यूमर प्राइस इंडेक्स इन्फ्लेशन डेटा was in March month it was 5.66%. तो from 5.66% से 4.7% आ गया है इन्फ्लेशन डेटा. So this news is very good for the market. And one more data also came, which is IIP data. और IIP data देखें तो actually this is not so good. IIP growth means industrial production. India's industrial output grew by 1.1% in March month, which is the slowest pace in 5 months. मतलब सीपीआई डेटा तो 18th month लो हिट किया है, बट IIP data should be good, which is 1.11%, but it is not that good. This is actually slowest in 5 months. So industrial growth as per the IIP for so 1.1%, the March IIP growth figure is well below the consensus estimate, which was actually 3.2% expected था, but वो नहीं हुआ और ये 1.1% आया है, which is not that good. So one is good news and one is not that good news. Will not say bad news, but yes, not that good news. So now what will happen in Nifty in next week? Let's discuss that first. So now let's come to the Nifty 50 chart. So yes, now we have come to the Nifty 50 chart. Nifty 50 is trading at 18,314. मीन्स 18,300 के आसपास इसने 3-4 डेज खूब अच्छे से टाइम स्पेंड किया. इट इफ यू सी दिस 1 2 3 4, even this one also. So 1 2 3 4, it was actually hovering in 350 to 250 के बीच में. It was hovering Nifty 50. Yes, but in my last video I gave the important level which was resistance. It was 18,400 here. So in my last video the 18,400 resistance tha, and it is exactly touched that 18,390 level in on last Friday. If you want to see, you can check here. No, not Friday. Actually, it was on Thursday. Yes, so Thursday here. Yes, so Thursday it has touched the 18,400 के आसपास, and then then again came back to the level of 18,300, and it was hovering there on 18,300. So I will give that video's link on I button. You can check the level. It was 18,400, or abhi bhi I can feel the resistance there at 18,400. So what can be the level? Agar 18,400, if it's breaking 18,400, so definitely it will go to the 18,600 very soon. Means last week maybe, oh sorry, second week में भी जा सकता है if it will break the 18,400. तो अभी 18,400 resistance है. If it breaks it, it will definitely go to the 18,600. और अगर नीचे के लेवल पे जाएं तो 18,070 के आसपास ये उसके पहले के वीक में इट वाज टेकिंग सपोर्ट हियर। 1 2 3 4 3 4 दिन इसने यहाँ पे सपोर्ट लिया, तो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल एट हियर 18,070 या 18,050 इसके आसपास। इट हैज अ वेरी गुड सपोर्ट। और एक 18,000 का एक साइकोलॉजिकल सपोर्ट भी है, तो वहाँ पे भी एक अच्छा सपोर्ट यहाँ पे भी है, बट अभी मुझे लगता नहीं वो 18,000 तक अगर जाता भी है तो ठीक है, 18,000 से रिवर्सल ले लेगा, बट 18,050 या 70 के आसपास एक अच्छा सपोर्ट है। So what can be the level for the next week for the Nifty 50? Yes, for the Nifty 50 it can be 18,070 to 18,600. Yes, I'll take this resistance. 18,070 to 18,600 can be the level for the next week for the Nifty 50. And now let's discuss the Nifty Bank chart. Yes, what is happening on the Nifty Bank chart? Nifty Bank is more positive than Nifty 50. Nifty Bank is trading at 43,800 और ये अपने काफ़ी कुछ अपने एक रेजिस्टेंस के ऊपर भी क्लोज हुआ है, तो मीन्स इट इज़ लुकिंग वेरी वेरी पॉजिटिव टू मी, एंड immediately it will go to the 44,000 और 44,000 के ऊपर ही रहेगा, मीन्स 44,080 या 50 ऐसा बोल सकते हैं। दिस कैन बी अर रेजिस्टेंस एंड विच इज ऑल टाइम हाई ऑल्सो। यस, तो निफ्टी बैंक का ऑल टाइम हाई टच करने के बहुत ही पास में खड़ा हुआ है, एंड इट immediately it will touch the 18 sorry and im- immediately it will touch the all time high of 44,080 के आसपास। यस, ब्रेकिंग दिस 43,800 लेवल, यस डेफिनेटली इट विल go to 44,000 प्लस, मीन्स 44,080। और अगर थोड़ा बहुत निगेटिविटी दिखाता भी है तो इट विल कम बैक टू द लेवल ऑफ 42,800 का एक बहुत ही अच्छा स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट है, विच if नेक्स्ट वीक में अगर कभी भी निगेटिविटी दिखती है तो इट कैन come to this level also 42,800. So what trading area we can expect for the Nifty Bank for the next week? It can be 42,800 to 44,080. Yes, this can be the range for the Nifty Bank for the next week. So I will come again with the Nifty level for the week. Stay connected to the channel and keep liking and sharing the video. Signing off.